Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today I have a really exciting video. I actually just received a gift from Chanel and it literally just arrived, which is why I look like I have no makeup on or anything. I just threw on a shirt to be able to film this because I thought it would be more fun to film it as a true unboxing because I have no idea what's inside here. And I'm super excited. I just opened the box so that you wouldn't have to see me doing that part on video. But yeah, I wanted to open this together. If you can't tell, I'm super stoked. I'm really excited actually. I have never received a gift from Chanel in really any fashion. Oh no. Correction. Last summer, I went to see the Métier d'Art collection in the boutique, and that's when I purchased a Chanel dress, and then my essay gave like a little goodie bag of some makeup bits. So I have received a gift from Chanel before, but this I think is for holiday. I am not 100% sure, so I'm going to dive right into it. There's some stuffing and then, all right, inside is this box in some wrapping or like plastic. I think that was to protect the box itself. Oh, and it has some really pretty like gold ribbon. I'm going to try and do a close-up. Oh gosh, it's so pretty. And I think there's a little card. I'm gonna slide that out and read that later. I think that's from my essay. But ta-da, this is what it looks like. Oh gosh, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. So I don't know what it is. I'm going to open it now. All right, ribbon is off. I seriously have no idea what's inside here. It could be a box of chocolates for all I know, but I'm going to take the lid off, and this is what's inside. Just, it looks like a dust bag and some paperwork. And oh! Wow. Wow. Wow, that's terrible. I don't know if you got that on camera, but he just looked at it and he was like, oh, I needed an iPad case. Excuse me. That's how the world doesn't agree with you. See, look, declaring an emergency because that was like not okay. Oh my gosh. So this is a O case. It is I think this is like the medium size because I think there's one that's larger, and it looks like there's a little charm. I want to say it's navy. Yep, it looks like it's navy, with like the antique gold hardware. There's a pocket on the inside and like a zipper pocket on the inside. Oh my gosh, I've never seen this before, but there's a tag on the inside that says with compliments of Chanel. That means this is not an item that was ever made for sale. I don't know what I did to get something like this. Oh my gosh, I really want to take this off, but I don't know if I can. Oh, it's so cute! It's a little pearl bauble. That's the best way I can describe it. Okay, so I finally got the little paper off, and there's this little bauble. Oh, it's so cute. It's like little CCs with a little pearl on the inside, with a glass pearl. I think it's like a grained calf skin. I don't think it's lamb skin. I mean, it feels really soft and really puffy. My boyfriend came over with his iPad and he actually just placed it inside here, claiming this to be his iPad case. So if anybody's curious, an iPad Pro fits inside. This has no case though, and it barely fits. So in case anybody needs an iPad Pro case, we know the O cases are size for that. Oh, it has like the standard care booklet that comes along, not care booklet, but you know, like the paperwork. So I'm not quite sure. It says Petite Maroquinière. You know, I don't speak French, so I'm just going to write that in here. That's what this paperwork says. So if anybody speaks French, please let me know what any of that means. Petite means small. I know that much, but I don't know what the other word means. So if you speak French, please put the translation in the comments down below. I would really appreciate it. But wow, that's all I have to say. Just wow. This is really special. And I guess this was the year of SLGs because I got my Kirigami set and now I have this. I think I am really set on SLGs now. You should be seeing my boyfriend's face right now. He's grinning from ear to ear. He's so excited for his new iPad case.
What?
Oh wow, this card's really cute too. It's Coco Chanel in a classic like Chanel sofa chair and lions instead of reindeer. Wow, and a little bit of tweed. That's like the moon. And the star is sparkly. What? Wow, this is a really pretty card. Ah, and such a sweet note inside. It looks like the sun just really wanted to go away now, telling me to wrap up this video. But yeah, that's everything that I wanted to really share in this quick unboxing. I'm absolutely floored. I have no words. I feel really overwhelmed. But yeah, this is what was in my little gift box. I am super thankful, super excited. My boyfriend's really excited. This is such a sweet ending to 2020 that has inevitably been such a crazy year for everybody. But I hope everyone has enjoyed the holidays. Happy New Year. I will definitely be back with more videos soon. Let me know if you have any questions on anything at all. Leave them down below or head on over to Instagram and I'd be happy to help however I can. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your feedback and support. If you like this kind of content and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post new fashion related videos every Sunday and Wednesday. So until next time, bye!